Phrasal verbs. Look after. Meaning: take care of somebody or something. Example: can you look after my daughter while I'm on business? Please look after the plants while I'm away. Look up. Meaning: search for information in a book or computer. Example: I didn't know the meaning of this word, so I had to look it up in the dictionary. Look over. Meaning: to examine something. Example: can you look over my essay and see if there are any mistakes? Look for. Meaning: find someone or something. Example: what are you looking for? I am looking for my key. Look forward to. Meaning: to expect or be excited something that will happen in the future. Example: we are looking forward to seeing you again. I am looking forward to my vacation. Look at. Meaning: to observe or notice someone or something. Example: look at me when I'm talking to you. I didn't know why they looked at the newspaper for such a long time. Look through. Meaning: to read something or see someone quickly. Example: I looked through the report quickly before the meeting. He looked through me, as if I wasn't there. Look ahead. Meaning: to think about the future. Example: the past is past. Let us look ahead. I always look ahead and set goals for me. Look back. Meaning: to think about something that happened in the past. Example: I often look back on my childhood with happiness. I like to look back at old photos to remember memorable moments. Look into. Meaning: to investigate or examine. Example: the police are looking into the robbery. I'll look into the issue and get back to you. Look out. Meaning: to be careful. Example: look out. The floor is wet and slippery. Look out for the signs on the highway. Look around. Meaning: to visit a place and explore its surroundings. Example: we looked around the mall for an hour.
Thanks for watching.
Like, share and subscribe.